Here's how to submit a new project to ESP and get your site survey scheduled. First step is from the Rep Hub, you'll select New Project Submission. You'll put in your information. Be sure to enter the email that we have on file for you. Next, you'll fill out the customer information. Choose how the customer prefers to be contacted, and make sure to enter what language they speak. Now we'll start to fill out all the info we need about the project and the survey appointment itself. We do need somebody 18 years or older to be present for the site survey. Always confirm with the homeowner that they can make that happen. Choose which type of system you sold. The form will show or hide questions based on these and some other selections. If you have any of these specific features, for instance, if there's an existing system and we're doing an add-on, if it's a ground mount, a new build, all of these are going to have some different requirements. If the homeowner has asked for anything specific about the design, for example, don't put anything on the front of the roof, just be sure to put that in here. No panels on the front of home. If you did design a layout with the homeowner that they're happy with, be sure to upload that here. You can just drag and drop anything or take a screenshot with your phone. If the homeowner has any special battery-related requests, be sure to put those in here. For example, do not install battery inside the garage. It's much easier to just tell us where the homeowner does not want one rather than where the homeowner does want the battery. There are more restrictions on where we need to put the battery based on various permitting and safety codes, so we can't always accommodate a want, but we can usually avoid a don't want. Refer to our training guide on battery install location for more info. Next, be sure to put in the utility company. Depending on the state you're submitting for, we will have the Texas options if the address of the home is in Texas. If they have advanced SGIP eligibility, make sure you've gotten all that documentation for anything above the standard. It's pretty rigorous. Otherwise, just leave it at standard. Be sure to upload the utility bills and then let us know if it's an HOA. If it is, please provide that information here. Just for demonstration, it'll give you this error pop-up if you forget to have something uploaded in there. Be sure to choose the tool that you used so we can track down where it came from. Each of these tools that are outside of our QuickBase CRM will have a slightly different way of getting into our system, so it just helps our team track it down. Tell us how they paid for it. If they're doing a bank transfer, select ACH, or if they want to pay with a credit card, choose that. And just ensure you have both of those forms filled out in either case. If you've selected a third-party owned PPA, there are production requirements that we need to meet in order to get your job approved. In certain cases, we may need to add a few panels to reach that minimum threshold. Normally, we'll place a 72-hour hold on the job and hit you up to see if you want to try and get a re-signed contract from the customer. If you don't want to deal with that, no problem. Check this box. That's just saying we can add up to 3 panels to get the job moving and keep the customer payments the same without placing it on a hold, so you can get paid faster with minimal impact to your commission. Once you hit submit, it will take you straight to the web chat window. Or if it's after normal business hours, you can come back and use the chat when we're open during hours of operation. Thanks. We're excited to get to work on this with you.